Hi guys, so in my last video I had the noise cancelling headphones from Sony Awei T11 and now I received a pair of Bluetooth headphones, earphones actually, which I bought from AliExpress for nearly $10. They're called Awei T11. Okay, so we have the earphones, instructions which are in Chinese definitely. English too. So it shows us the functionalities of the buttons: play, pause, previous track, next track, volume up and down. Next we have two pair of earbuds, different sizes. And the charging cable. So they actually look nice, they are not too heavy either. Here we have the controls: power on in the middle, volume up, volume down, the charging port. So when you connect your Bluetooth earphones with your device for the first time, you will need to press and hold the power button for about 6 seconds until they start flashing the red and blue LED. Then your device will see the headphones as Awei Music. Just click it and your phone will connect automatically next time. So after a one-day use, in which I listened to music for about 2 or 3 hours, give or take, I had them connected on my laptop for the rest of the day. The battery still had 30% when I got home. Bottom line is, they perform really well, and I actually don't feel sorry for the $10 I paid for them. That's all for today. See you next time.